Hey everyone, my dear friends. Today I went to check out an interesting car with my friend. It's a Mini Cooper S. This car was the last classic Mini before the BMW era. This little car is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of an era, a stylish and sporty icon, the final chapter of the classic Mini before it transformed into something new. Mini Cooper Sport 2000, a true legend. Let's find out why this Mini is so special. The Mini story began in 1959 when Sir Ilych designed a compact city car that became an instant hit. By the 1960s, it was not only a cultural phenomenon, but also a racing legend, dominating the Monte Carlo rally. But by the late 90s, it was clear that the classic Mini needed a modern successor. That's when Rover, which owned Mini at the time, decided to launch the Farewell series, the Mini Classic. And one of the best versions, the Mini Cooper Sport 2000 Tour. These 13-inch alloy wheels and wider arches give it a sportier stance. Despite its small size, it looks aggressive and ready to hit the road. The sound. Just listen to this engine. Minimalism, excitement, and pure driving pleasure. That's why people love the Mini around the world. Mini has always been known for its legendary handling. Weighing just around 700 kg, with a short wheelbase and stiff suspension, this car feels like a go-kart. Now let's check out the interior. The Mini Cooper Sport 2000 came with upgraded leather seats, aluminum details, and a minimalist dashboard. Everything is simple, yet functional. It's still the same Mini from the 60s, but with a few modern touches for extra comfort. What makes the Mini Cooper Sport 2000 stand out from other classic Minis? First, the design. The silver roof, mirrors, and bonnet stripes were signature features of this special edition. Under the hood, it has a 1.3L fuel-injected engine producing 63 horsepower. Sounds modest, but thanks to its lightweight body, it's incredibly fun to drive. The Mini Cooper Sport 2000 isn't just another car. It's a piece of history, the last true Mini built before BMW took over. Today, these cars are becoming rare, and their value is only going up. Would you love to own a classic Mini? Or maybe you already do. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like this video if you want more legendary car reviews.